Namaskara to everyone. Let us learn the creation of 2D and 3D shapes in this video. As we all know, NCERT has defined the basic or understanding capabilities for each grade. So here, we see the learning outcomes defined for 2D and 3D shapes. The concept of 2D and 3D is skill-based by nature. So, one needs to effectively put forth these skills to represent and explain the concept of 2D and 3D shapes in the time they have. So, to explain the structure of these shapes, we can take the help of the fundamentals of geometry, which are point, line, and plane, which constitutes the 2D and 3D shape definition. Even nature has given us a lot of examples of different shapes and gives us the opportunity of understanding this in its own way. It is also better that as teachers, we should not bring these concepts to the students in a direct and abstract way. We should bring these concepts with a lot of examples, situations, and with events happening around us, or even with information which the students already know and which can be applied in life on a day-to-day basis. It will be better that such examples be taken and then the main concepts explained. If these points are followed well by teachers, then we can try and explain these kind of concepts to the students in a very good way.